dang. I don't know what it is. Turning on these action cameras with gloves on, it makes it almost impossible. It only took me like 6 times. And I don't have cruise, so I can't set the cruise and use my hand how I want to. So this thing's geared so low that as soon as you get off the gas, you lose like everything. What is today? July 1. Oh, thank goodness. But then again, no, not. It might sound stupid, but I have a goal of riding 6,000 miles this year, which is nuts to think because I used to do 20,000. Oh, my heel got stuck in the peg. I used to do 20,000 a year. And if it wasn't for riding the old blue bike here, I wouldn't be riding, period, the last, week and a half. This is, I need to run to base really quick and grab medicine vehicle. That's about all and I ride it around the neighborhood just to kind of keep my skills up on 2 wheels. And we're screaming at almost 6,000 RPM doing 35 miles per hour. But I'm only in 4th gear. There we go, top gear. We'll go through the little town of Cibolo. I like going through Cibolo. We can go in the back way through Cibolo. See, Cibolo starts here, but we'll go up to Main Street. I think it's, a little square body. I dig it. That Mustang was out there. Maybe it just appeared that it was out there, just at a really super close glance. So, yeah, I'm on the little blue bike. It's a little single cylinder 230cc. It gets, 60 to 80 miles per gallon, or used to anyway. I've done some modifications. I removed the factory air box because I put an aftermarket exhaust on it and it was a little too close because it's a Chinese exhaust on a Chinese bike, and it was a little too close to the air box and like melted the corner of it. Let's just go ahead. Are we gonna have enough butt to get around to Toyota? I'm on my tippy toes to hold on to this thing. I'll give it the beans. We'll probably pull a wheelie. Idle is a little low. We're right at 1,000 RPM. I think I'm gonna bump that up a little bit. Oh, here we go. Oh, the beans! Speed limit. You just ring her out, you know what I'm saying? Just everywhere you go. That's what makes this bike so fun to ride. And it had to break in, had to get 1,500 miles on it before I could put synthetic oil in it. I've just reached that time, and it's a 2019. Yeah, 1,500 miles. But I'm throwing the miles on her. I'm over 1,700. I'll get it to 1,800 here sometime soon. And it's such a light bike, 350-ish. Maybe 400 pounds, if that. So the wind, man, it just like grabs this thing and throws it. Sometimes the front end gets so heavy because of the wind. It's like, what in the world? It's just the wind blowing on it, and it just doesn't have enough weight. So here we go, into the old part of Cibolo, and it cracks me up because this is a town of 50,000. I know it's not a lot, but let's just see how big this city center is. Where I came from, Lancaster, Ohio, is about 35-40, so a little bit less. Cancel. I'm used to the self-canceling signals on the Spider, so I get on this thing and I'm just like riding around with my turn signal on everywhere I go. I think that's the hardest thing to get used to, going from the Spider to this. Everything else is the same, I grab the front brake I shift no problem. But, you know, my old Spider was a standard. I'm trying to do the stop and not put my feet down thing. I'm not there yet. I'm close. But yeah, this is it right here. This is downtown Cibolo. Like, there's our Thai restaurant right back here. I've been to this pizza place. It's not bad. And there's a bar with live music. Live music's pretty good. And then you have like all these houses that are turned into restaurants. So that's it. This is the city center of 50,000 people. It just blows my mind. Like in Ohio, a city this size, like the downtown, would have maybe like 8,000 people in it, but no, 50,000 people. I probably should have stopped. Yeah, I mean, that's it, Cibolo. I don't really know too much about Cibolo other than this is where my wife, she wanted to be in the Shirt Cibolo area, and we're close. We're in the Shirt Cibolo Marion, so we're just up the road about 5 miles from where she wanted to be. And coming from Ohio, yeah, you know, I had no clue, but I love where we're at, to be honest with you. It does suck for her because of the drive, but she's gonna be retiring here shortly. Where's my I don't know where my flashers are. Oh, there they are, right there. I'll let them go. He said, screw it, I'm not. Oh, hand stuck. Feathering that clutch out. I'm not gonna have enough power to overtake a Jeep. Maybe if no, I wouldn't have had enough power. But yeah, it was nice filling it up, put 2 gallons in it. I forget how much it came to. I put 2.06 gallons of the old gasoline, 87 octane. You can't beat it. I mean, it's just a super cheap bike. Now, I can say it's a super cheap bike, but when you compare basic transportation, because this is about as basic as you get, no analog brakes, nothing. I think you got a trip meter, and that's about it. So very basic. I got a downshift. And like I said, you compare this to the Spider. Even though the Spider is not basic transportation, just the fit and the finish, you can definitely tell this thing is a Chinese motorcycle. But I do like it. I badmouth it a lot sometimes because of all the money I've had to throw into it to keep it basic transportation, but it's a fun little bike. I think I'd rather have like a Honda Rally 300, something a little bit more capable. Now that I'm not riding, you know, off-road, I think that bike would be kind of cool to have. Got a little windscreen on it. You can put decent tires on it, that if you do want to get into a little bit of gravel or, you know, anything like it, it'd be fine. It'd be fine. See, like, you ready? Wide open. Like, wide open, wide open. Oh, it's so funny. I think when I started, this thing had 600 horsepower. Since then, I've jetted the carburetor. I moved the needle up in it so it gets a little bit more fuel. Removed the air box. Put a freer flowing air filter on it and a header pipe, head pipe, slip-on exhaust. So complete exhaust. And then I wrapped it. I don't know if you can see it, but I wrapped the first part of it and that catalytic converter because it's right by the leg. And I mean, it's 104 degrees down here most of the time. That's all I need is a little bit more heat on that right leg. And this thing does run cooler because it doesn't make the power the Spider does, 16 horsepower compared to, 115. So when it is 104 degrees, I get more air. It is cooler to ride. But this is not I'm gonna go through 150 miles on a little trip or a ride. I need to run to base 12 miles away. We got a lot of flashing lights up here. I don't know if a new camera, and we're rocking a new Insta360 Ace 2 Plus Pro, whatever else they throw on it. I don't know why we have so many flashing lights. But speed bumps? When do they put speed bumps in? Are we gonna make it? I might have enough butt. No clutch, no clutch. So I'll let everybody go here as they're putting in stuff. I bet that was greasy, soupy. So if you could, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. See you down the road.